Hello children, Cosmic Foundation School welcomes you for yet another class of English of class 2. This is our English book and we are going to start with the first chapter. Now you can see this is our first chapter, which is about Mary and the mouse. So we are talking about Mary and the mouse. So the characters in this picture, this lesson is with pictures. So if you can see here, you have lot of pictures and you can see the characters also in this. And if you really want to know, you can find out that what is the story. Fine, let us see now. Now in this you can see there are 4 kids. 4 बच्चे हैं, 4 kids are there, and this one is Millie, Harshit, Mary and Aslam. Now this is the house of Mary. So this one is the mother of Mary. So Mary is playing with her friends Harshit, Millie and Aslam, and mother is bringing for them biscuits and fruits. Now when they were eating it, जब वो खा रहे होते हैं, and what are they playing? Which game they are playing? They are playing carom board. They are playing carom. Okay. So suddenly Mary starts shouting, "Help! Help!" And Aslam tells, "Why are you shouting?" And she runs out of the house, runs out of the room. She runs out of the room, and what happens is when the kids, they go there and they try to check out with her that why the Mary was shouting. And where does she go and sit? She sits on the chair. Now she sits on the chair with her feet up. जब आप डर जाते हो तब आप अपने feet ऊपर कर लेते हो. Yes or no? Correct? So she was so scared कि उसने अपने फीट्स ऊपर कर दिए, एंड द चिल्ड्रन स्टिल वो समझ नहीं पा रहे होते हैं कि वाई इज शी शाउटिंग. सो शी चेक्स आउट विथ द किड्स आर चेकिंग आउट विथ हर, वाई आर यू शाउटिंग, बट शी इज नॉट एबल टू से एनीथिंग. सडनली everyone, when they are asking her that why is she shouting, mother also comes. Now she is standing on her bed. अब वो वहाँ से बेड के ऊपर चली जाती है and she is shouting again. वो अभी भी shout ही कर रही है. So mother, she checks, why are you standing on the bed? She tells to mama that there is a mouse. There is a mouse. She is getting scared of the mouse. Okay. Now what happens is in this last picture you can see that what they do is cleaning part. Why? Because mouse had come to taste the biscuit. So what they have to do, they clean up their living room and now they start playing. Okay. And Harshit in fun says, I like mice, mice are nice. Okay. So the mother says you don't have to get scared, you just have to clean up the place. तो आप जब अपने घर में भी जब आप कुछ करते हो, खाते हो, you have to take care कि आप उसको spill नहीं कर रहे हो. If you spill, then you are going to end up with mice or even sometimes cockroaches and ant. Okay. Now we start with this. With whom is Mary playing? Mary is playing with whom? वो किसके साथ खेल रही है? Her friends or her cousins? Her friends. So this is your right answer. What are Mary and her friends having? What are they having, mama? What does she get? Mary and friends sandwiches or fruits and biscuits? It is fruits and biscuits. Which animal does Mary see? Which animal? वो किसको देख के भागती है? Which animal? Does she see a fly or does she see a mouse? So yes, the answer is mouse. Who is cleaning the room? Mary and her friends or Mary's parent? Who is cleaning? You can see the picture. Who is cleaning? The parents are watching, but the cleaning is done up by Mary and her friends. So this is your correct answer. We come to the next one, which is who said these words and write. Why are you shouting? Now why are you shouting? Who asked this? Who asked this? जस्ट सी इफ यू डोंट नो, अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, what you do is you just go behind and see where is that. See, here it is. Why are you shouting? And who is this boy? This boy is Aslam. Who is this boy? This boy is Aslam. So you have to write the answer here as Aslam. So what is the answer here? ASLAM, Aslam. Now the second one is, it is your turn, Mary. Now again, just turn out and see where exactly it is. So here it is. It is your turn. Now who is saying this? Who is saying this? This is Harshit. So what you write is Harjeet. Sorry, it is Harjeet. Harjeet. I missed out the name. That is Harjeet. It is not Harshit. Let us go back to your room, Mary. Now who says that? Let us go back to your room. Let us find out. Now here, let us go back to your room. Who is saying this? Yes, the one in the pink dress. It is Millie. So we have to write the answer. What will be the answer over here? It is Millie. I don't want to. Someone please help me. Now this was, who wanted help? It was Mary. So it is Mary. And why are you standing on the bed, Mary? This was the mother. So this was told by mother. Mary, now we'll say true and false. Mary and her friends were sitting on the rug. Yes. Mary and her friends were studying. No, they were not studying. So it is false. Mary was scared. Yes, she was scared. So the answer is true. Mary's mother got idlis for the children. No. What was it? Fruit and biscuit. So this is false. So this is with the chapter. Fine. Here what we have to do is, we just have to match the words to form two words with meaning to form another word. That is butter and fly together becomes butterfly. Sun and flower will become sunflower. Rain and bow will become rainbow. Break and fast will become breakfast. And last is bed and room will become bedroom. So we go to the next page. Now here we will use the correct word to complete the sentence. What I have to do? I have to use the correct word. I like my new school bag, or I wish my new school bag. It is I like. So I have to circle. So it is circle. Have or has you ever seen a mouse? When it is you, जब भी you होता है, we always use have. So have you. My answer is have you. Do you or does you? Yes, it is do you. So it is do you have a games period every day. I have invited all my friends to my house, or I have invited every my friends. No, it is all. So my right answer is I have invited all my friends to my house. Now you have to match the animals with the sound. So lion, what is the sound of lion? It is roar. Now mice, mice is always with squeak. Hens is cluck. Cats is mew. Birds is chirp. Fine. So this is what is it. Now here what we have to see is, we have to understand and tick. Now listen carefully. Now this is a group of word or a complete sentence. Listen carefully. Is it making a sense? No. So I don't have to tick it. Here I am not ticking it. Mary is playing. Yes. इससे मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि yes, Mary is playing. Fine. On a chair? No, this is not right. Mary sat on a chair? Yes. जस्ट ऑन अ चेयर है तो आई कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, बट मेरी सैट ऑन अ चेयर है तो येस आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. अ माउस एंटर्स द रूम. येस. ओनली अ माउस? नो. इट इज ए वॉशिंग मशीन. येस. अ वॉशिंग मशीन? नो. Now rearrange the words. Now rearranging means you have to arrange the things to make a right sentence. Mary has 3 friends. Now here, what is the right form? Alia is at the beach. Okay, then she is wearing a hat. She has made a sand castle. Then what is it? Teddy is by her side, or a Teddy is by her side. Now, what is it? She is happy. So, we finish off with this thing and we come to the next page where you have to do the coloring part. You just have to color it. Fine. So, what you have to do is you color the way you want. Here you can draw it also and color it. Fine. So this is what we have to do. And if you go into the supermarket, this is an activity. Whatever you want to buy, you will write the list over here. Fine. This is what the activity is. And here you just have to write the names. You just have to fill the names. So what is this? This is a bed, chair, door, table, window and shelf. Okay, so this is what we have it over here. And the last one is you just do the rhyme. Fine. So this is what was there in the entire chapter 1 along with the written work. So do it, read it and learn it. Fine? Okay, bye-bye.
हो गई